Hi my YouTube family. Copy paste on fabric. Mark 1 inch. And line. Make potty according to your requirements. Take scissor and cut. Stitch with multi 1 inch fabric. Stitch, stitch. Make piping like this. Fold it. Fold from both sides. And stitch. Measure the length. I need 4 inches. Cut the potty 4 inches. Spray water on potty. Scratch the potty. And press. Like this. Fold according to shape you require. Fold it and press. Take the iron on few seconds until the shape you require. Here's the final look. Place both shape on edges of the shirt. Stick it with any glue. Add extra fabric to fold. Stitch it. Here's the final look. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.